Today we're talking about rising home prices, terrible appraisers, and what to do when that value comes in low, all in 90 seconds. In today's real estate market, everything is climbing. Every month, house values are going up, going up, going up. The problem that you run into, well, it's not a problem when you get paid more and more and more, of course, on those rising home prices. But the problem is when you run into an appraiser who's using information from last week or last month or even worse, several months ago, it doesn't accurately reflect what the current market situation is. If you have a VA loan and the value comes in low, there's actually a process called Tidewater, which you can actually go through and help to get a higher value. The way it works is when the appraiser sees that the value is going to come in below the contract price, because keep in mind they get a copy of all the contracts, when that value comes in lower than the contract price, they declare what's called Tidewater. When that happens, they tell the lender then has to facilitate this with the real estate agent. The realtors then can go through and provide any information, better comps, better explanations, any ideas of why they feel that value is a little bit higher. Keep in mind the whole Tidewater process has to take place within 48 hours from start to finish. Let's say that comes through and the appraiser still won't budge. VA has another layer you can go to. It's called a reconsideration of value, or ROV. Any interested party in the transaction can actually go through the ROV process directly with VA, bypass everybody, work with VA to try to help them understand why that value should be higher. In that situation, you're going to want to provide really good comparables and really good explanation as to why you feel that is, and then it's in VA hand at that point, and they make the final determination. If you work directly with VA, there's going to be some forms and formalities that you have to go through. Of course, it's a government organization. What you want to do is you want to call 888-349-7542. Go to option number 3, option number 3, and that's the appraisal department. And they will actually get you in line with what you need to do in the forms you need to fill out in order to do that. Hope this helps you guys out. I really hope that it helps you to understand the VA appraisal process and how it empowers you to do certain things that maybe you weren't aware of.